gentlemen, I have some very, very exciting news. I'm not in Australia anymore. I want to tell you where I am, but first I want to tell you how I got there. First I had to pack, which for me was a bloody nightmare. Actually making pretty good time, hey? So I've got headphones, cleany thingy, battery stuff, audio, no, this is my GoPro stuff, and some cords for my SD, no, what are they? Hard drives, SDs, charger, mouse, audio recorder, cable for my charger, tripod, camera, another hard drive, lens. I really don't know if I'm prepared, I don't know anymore! Packed my clothes, there's a beanie in there, some nice shoes, all my gear that I went through, there's some clothes, there's Jamie.
Hi.
And there's some more clothes, and there's my clothes that I'm packing. I don't even know anymore, it's one of those things you're like, you packed. Then I finally got my ass to the airport. Then I was told my hand luggage was too heavy, so I had to do some sneaky maneuvering. Sorted that out. Then I had to go in this security check thing, which made me feel like Sailor Moon when she transforms into Sailor Moon. You know the thing I'm talking about? Got on the plane first to Doyle with seat 22A.
Hey.
I watched The Disaster Artist.
Oh, hi, Mark.
Then I watched Murder on the Orient Express.
To another and never see each other again.
Well, I watched a bit, but then I fell asleep, then watched the rest of it. I then stretched my feet at 40,000 feet in the air, which was weird because I found out that feet actually expand when you go on long haul flights. That's never happened to me before. I felt like the Michelin Man. It was a weird experience. Then there was this really weird woman sitting next to me who stood straight up like Nosferatu. It was really strange. Finally got to Doha. We've made it to Doha Airport. It's a lot bigger than Adelaide. I was there for about an hour and a half. I'm on foot, she's on the escalator thing. What's it called? It's a cheat machine, that's what it is. Yeah. Check out him, how good. Doha Airport, you've been great, but you just seem a little bit better. Then got on another flight. There's the stairs on a plane? Are you kidding? I watched Justice League, which is a pretty good film. And a bunch of other comedy things, but I got to this place that I am at right now, which is why I'm using 2 cameras, because I'm in bloody Paris. So far, I'm in bloody love. You are absolutely joking. Europe's always been the holy grail place for me, like the place that you just want to go to. And I've gone to all these other places around the world, but I've always gone, nah, when I get to Europe, this is it. This is the holy grail of travel, and I finally got that chance. I'm filming for a week with Adelaide Uni. It's the E-Challenge. There's a bunch of entrepreneurs, and I don't know, I'm so freaking excited. I'm staying right next to the Louvre. I haven't seen the Louvre, or I haven't seen the Eiffel Tower yet, but it's all on the plan for tonight because sunsets at 9:17 or something. Oh, I'm so thankful for this opportunity. I'm just do you want to see my room? I'll show you my room. My bed. There's me. This is my bathroom. Toilet. Wardrobe. You know what? Bugger this. I gotta get outside. It's not often that I'm actually just like left speechless by a place, or a town specifically. This place is too much, eh? Behind this fence, it's a bloody Louvre. No, idea. What are we looking at? What is this?
This is the Louvre.
Oh, this is the Louvre.
This is the Louvre. So the Louvre is all of this. And some prince used to. Wait, are we doing this on the?
Yeah,
Oh, no.
you kept doing it. So are we watching Getaway or what? So bloody surreal. What's those boats? You got plants on them. That's a dream, eh? Look how many plants there are on it. That's crazy. Someone lives on that.
And look at the one, wow, 2016 is even more.
1926.
Wow.
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 Oh, 1910.
Oh, far out. Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. So those are the big floods. Oh, look at all these people.
How any of them correlate to the flood.
Hang on. But all those lines are the markings of the different flood times. How nuts! That's the Notre Dame. Notre Dame? How do you pronounce it?
Yeah, Notre Dame.
That's the Notre Dame. And that there is the end of the line to bloody see it.
Yeah.
So it goes all the way around here, all the way through. Yeah. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. First time ever set foot in Europe. How good? When? Hey.
Oh.
Thanks, mate.
So camera here, let's go over that. Quick visual.